Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to schedule one money cheat in German. First, open the in-game settings menu. Then, enable the console option from the settings. Next, press the tilt key to open the console window. Type change cash 500 to add 500 units to your wallet. Then type change balance 10,000 to add 10,000 units to your bank. Press enter to apply the command instantly. Next, repeat commands as needed to increase your funds. Alternatively, edit the money.json file in your save folder. Change online balance to a high value and save the file. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.